Good day, welcome to Multinet Design and the continuation of our modern use design that we are working on. So this is the last place we stopped on the last episode when we were able to design the upper parts. That is the client side design of these rooms. So we were able to create the 3-bedroom at the upper floor. So if you are not joining us, you can join us now by subscribing. The same time you like, and always one or the other, be a member of this channel if possible, so you have access to some of the pack that we can send to you. So now this is the ground floor plan. You see, this is the ground floor plan, the living room, the ante room, and so on and so forth. So you want to see the way the process, so go to the playlist and you watch everything step by step as we are getting, so you'll be able to have the file on your own if that will be the case. And because I encourage you to be practicing instead of looking for the beta file that we want to modify, so follow this one, it will help you develop your skill wholeheartedly. So now let's move on to the order of the day. So what I do here is that I want to start first to put all the windows in the right place, and understand how I'm doing. First, I need to do the windows, normal window that I used to do. I don't just create something, I just put a proper window, simplify one. So let's say I'm going to use this particular one, 600 by 1818. So I'm going to check the height here properly. So the height is this, so I'm going to reduce it to 1800. So I'm going to get this one to 500, 600 now this time around. So I'm going to say okay. So now start the whole process one after the other. So I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to do this one. So now this one is the opening is completed. So this one is going to be here, this one is going to be here. Then I have one opening at this side, and I have another one here. The reason is that because of the completion of this part. So now I move on to this particular one, and I create the opening here, and I create the opening here as well. So I do the opening of this one here for the toilet, and do the same opening here, and at the same time I do the opening here. So I'll create another one, and I'll create another one. So this is what I do all through, that I'm going to get the whole things in order. So if you are watching this video, I'm at home with my son, so he's playing football. Alright, so if you are hearing there's some noise of the something, that's just a little boy playing there. So it's part of people that are going to later embrace the channel and continue from where I stop, because I'm going out to become an architect like myself. So let's move on to what I'm trying to do. So this is it, and I'm going to create this one here as well. So for the toilet, I'll still maintain the same kind of windows, the same height of the windows. I don't want to. But if I need technology in town now, the windows you don't need to be. So there's way you do it, but because long windows only make the house so look fresh and beautiful. So we maintain that consistently. So this is how far this window will be. Okay. But this particular one I'm going to, because it's going to entertain with a design, because curtain wall is going to overtaking this place. You see the way we move on with the whole idea. So now let's say on a level 2, we do the same thing by clicking here, and we follow suit by tagging that. So then we continue with the windows, then with the windows, then with the another windows. So we do the same thing here. You can go down and copy whatever we want to copy and paste it, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to do it by little, so till I get it done completely. So I will leave this one, I will do this later. So that's it. Now we put this one in this place. So we do the needful by doing that one. So I'm going to create more of this. I'm going to create more of this, and then do this platform again, and that's all. Now what we do here is that I quickly want to create the staircase to complete this work totally. So I'm going to go to level 1. That is where I want to start. I want to create only one staircase, and which is this particular one. So while I want to create this only one, I will leave this one to the next tutorial, and we'll do that. So but let's see. But if you can go ahead and do it for your phone, let's see what will happen. So now let's say I create the staircase by saying architecture. The first thing I need to do here is that I'm going to pick the stair. So in stair here, I will really say create. So this one is going to form something. At first I need to create the boundary, which is going to be of this stage. So let the boundary, let me finish the boundary first. So what is the width of the roof going to be for me? So I need to determine the middle point, which is this one. I'm going to write, so this is the mid center. Sorry, I need to work with this. So I'm going to do this one and I will draw it down. So what I do now is that I will offset this one to, let's say, 75. Yes, so I'm going to give me 150 offset. So 75 here and 75 here. So I will delete the middle line. Why I now start drawing my riser. So delete this one. So the riser is going to be the next thing I'm going to do. Riser here. So I have the riser in this place. So what I need next is to offset. So I'm going to do this by, I'm going to use 1 foot. So I'm going to say continue to do that. So I think I have what I need to have now. So at this level, let me now check, let me just put 1. Let me check the whole dimension from here to here, whether I'm able to achieve 1000. Almost there, but not there. But I'm going to shift it by a light, or so where I just need to move or start is too much for me. So return it. It's too good. So that's 1000. That's what I need. So after this, the next thing I need to do, I will drag this one here. I will drag this one here as well. So what I need now is to create, because I want to create something like a spiral at this level. So how will I do that? So I will say, I just want to use this one. Okay, let me use this. So this one is going to give me the good. So I've done this one now. The next is that I will create my riser to align with something. So as I create my riser to work with this, so I will click on this, click. So you just go to the riser, leave my son alone, is the one that is disturbing me here. So just click my riser and then do it this way. So I'm going to say click. So I have 1 here, then the next one I will do it and I will have it here. Okay, I think I have like 2 now. So I can decide to check the angle whether it suits me or not, but I don't think I need that paparazzi to worry about. Understand? 30 degree, 29 degree. I think they're okay. Okay, because that's 90 degree, almost 90 degrees, so it's okay. So you select this one now, and then you say mirror. So when you mirror this, fine. So this one too, you can select all of them. Then you mirror all. So you mirror it. So they are all there. Now you are now going to determine the number of something you are creating, because if you cannot leave it this way. So let's say, because if it's going up, it's going to terminate somewhere here, so somewhere. So I'm going to do that by deleting this. So I will say click, filter this, and then I will affiliate that one. So the next thing I need to do is to draw the part, which is this. I'm going to draw from here. I'm drawing there. Draw from here. Stop here. So what I do need is to bring what you need to bring here. Bring the design. So this one is done. So what I do need to do now is to click whether it will form or not. So click. So the stair almost done, but not done yet. So click final finish and see whether it will create for you. So it's done now. You select it, then you change it to monolithic. So if you form monolithic, that's the best. Done. It has done. It's done completely. Okay, since I've done this one now, I need to know how it flows. So I'm going to create temporary okay, let me say temporary, go to view. So I have temporary what's it called here? So I'm going to relate this one to hand. What is the part I want? Now I'm going to remove some of this. So let's go to level 1. So the first is that I will edit it from here. So I'm going to say edit the stair. So edit the stair, double click. So I will reduce one here. While I put this one back, then I will remove 2 here.
I'll slap you.
So I will remove 2 here. I'm going to remove 2 there. So when I click finish now, what do I have? I'll go back to that section that I created, this temporary section. So I think it has met up with what I need to create. So I think I'm okay with this now. So then the next thing, I'll go to the second one. I can now copy this one. Maybe I want to use it, but I may not use. I'm just saying create similar by creating the similar thing. So you understand? So create the similar thing here by dragging and drop. So you do this by selecting the boundary. Let me just create all the stair once, so we know that I'm done with the staircase. So you learn the pattern of staircase at once. So this one is 2 meters. So what I need to do is that the boundary, I'm going to draw the line, the midpoint of the boundary, you draw it out. So what you do is offset that boundary or step. So what you do here is that you use, this one is going to be 50. I'm not going to use 75 because it's just. So now what I do is I will select the middle. I'll select the middle, then I will remove the riser. So the riser is going to start from, we have 1000. Yes. So I'm going to do 1000. I will delete that one later. So I'm going to delete this one. So now what I need now is the boundary. Yes, let the boundary be connected here. Why I stream this one. Okay. So I've streamed this one now. I will do this by clicking the riser and draw it. So what I now do is that I will offset at 300 for everything. So I will do this, continue. So like that, I'm going to do that. So you're hearing my son voice at the background. So it's just doing it. So now I will trim this. I will trim this. Then I trim this. So I will remove this one while I withdraw the parts. So from the parts now, I will draw this part to this level. Take this one again. Can now draw this part to this, then connect this one. Okay, the part is connected, so you can click finish and see how far. So click finish again. Then you come here and select monolithic. So you create a monolithic which is accurate. So you don't need much to do. So now if you go to section like this, now create another temporary section and see it through from the parts here, so that you'll be able to see it all the way through. So go to the field. Fine. So I'm going to delete 2 steps from there. So we're able to accommodate what I need to accommodate. So go to level 1. Then you delete that. So I'm going to remove this. Then remove this. So my next thing is that I will now I'll click finish now. Click finish again. So go back to the section 2, and that is it. So I'm done with what I need to create from this section. The only thing I need to do is like to create the volume of the stair that cut across that part. So here I will just say edit. So click here and then edit these parts and remove it. So click finish now. So the next thing is that you do the same thing, say edit again, the boundary. So this one will allow you, I will just like click through from here. Click from here now. Stop at this level. Click from here, then do the same thing. So what you do now is trim. You trim everything. Trim this one. It's done. So select this and remove them. So you click finish. So the stair is all there created. So select this one now, edit the boundary. I'm going to select this. I'm going to start this one halfway through because I'm not going to enter from outside. I'm going to enter from inside. So I'm going to select this one and say connect. So that is just it. So I'm going to click finish here. So this one should go, then this one should connect it. So now I will just align this to this position, then align this one as well. So how far, so far so good. This is how far we do on this particular project at this particular episode. I think you can check from 3D now and see that we are moving on with the things and the details. So in the next tutorial we start properly from the elevation. So when we cast the waiting around together and start building them one after the other. So the roofing system will be the next particular thing we're going to do. So thanks for watching. See you in later where we are going to meet up with what we are designing. So see you then. God bless you.